What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. For this video, she wanted me to recreate this style and I thought the style was gorgeous. I don't know whose installment this is, but if y'all know, please comment down below or just share this video with them. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because y'all know this is about to be good. I didn't know how the back was installed, but I knew it was full and pretty. And I ain't have time to be sitting down braiding all day, so I just decided to crochet the back end. As you guys can see, I installed some simple cornrows starting halfway, going back. And I connected the end of each plait into the next braid. And once I was finished, I had one plait dangling and I just crocheted it into the cornrow. Now the pre-braided crochet hair that I'll be using is by Expression, and this is the 20-inch pre-loop pre-braided hair. The hair that I got is a number 2 in case you guys are wondering, and I only used one pack. One pack? Now for the installment process, I'm assuming you all know how to install pre-braided box braids or pre-twisted hair. But in case you don't know, the easiest way is to loop the hair under and then take the tip of the braid, put it inside of the latch hook, close it, and then pull it through. Very simple. Now if you guys are paying attention, I did not loop the braid underneath the full cornrow. I'm only installing it onto smaller pieces of the cornrow, and I'm moving from left to right. So I'll take a piece from the right hand side or the left hand side and I'll loop it through that. But I never put it underneath the whole thing because I just feel like it'll cause too much tension. When your hair is fresh, your cornrows are usually in there pretty good, and you don't want to do anything to cause too much tension to your scalp. So the next step is going to be the hair, and I'm using the original Expression braiding hair. Now this hair is an 84-inch, so you have to kind of chop it up a little bit, and for her length you might want to go ahead and just chop it in half. And I can tell you off top, you just may run out. I would encourage you guys, now that I know, I would encourage you guys to use the easy braid hair. I've used that hair plenty of times in my videos. I will put a link down below where you can purchase that hair, and I also try to find this hair as well in case you just want to do everything I'm doing in this video. They have so many feathered brands of hair out now that it's hard to figure out which one to purchase. So from my experience, I noticed that the easy braid hair, the bundles are the fullest and the cheapest. Before installing your feed-in cornrow, you want to measure the thickness of the hair to see how thick you want your braid to be. And once you have measured, then you're going to take that portion that you have separated and you're going to separate it into smaller pieces. The smallest piece is going to be the piece that I start off with. And I'm going to crisscross that around itself. I'm going to start braiding, and then as I braid down maybe 3 or 4 times, then I'm going to start feeding the hair in. And I'm basically going to place the strand of hair into my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to take the top end of the strand and leave it out. And I'm going to take the bottom end of the strand and proceed to braid it into the braid. Once I start braiding down 1 time, then I'm going to take the top end of the braid, put it in with the rest of the hair, and then proceed braiding. And I'm going to braid down 1 more time, and then I'm going to feed in another strand. And I'm just going to continue feeding this cornrow until it is all complete. And I want to do this to the whole top area. I want to point out the parting is very important because if your parts aren't neat, guess what? Your braids aren't going to look neat either. So try to make sure that you find a comb that's pointy enough on the tip to make a very neat part. The next step is going to be to trim away any flyaways that you may have. Once you have trimmed away the flyaways, we're going to add these beads. I decided to just add a little bit of purple on the tips because purple is her favorite color and I thought it would be cute. And then once the beads are installed, any excess hair that you have around the rubber band area, you're going to just clip it away and you're all done. So this is the video. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below how you like it and what other kind of styles you would like to see me install. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.